So, you've written an awesome paper and you're wondering which journal you should send it to. We realize all journals have slightly different editorial processes, so we've created this quick guide to how things work at the Journal of Cell Biology. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll agree that JCB is the perfect place to submit your manuscript, and you'll know just what to expect once you've done so. After you've uploaded a cover letter and a PDF of your manuscript to our website, one of our in-house professional editors will evaluate the work and discuss it with a member of our academic editorial board. Composed of over 100 active scientists, there's sure to be someone with the expertise to really understand your work. At JCB, all editorial decisions are made by these academic editors, but our in-house editors are always there to coordinate the review process and ensure that the journal's standards are applied fairly and consistently across the board. We may decide that your manuscript isn't appropriate for JCB and reject it without sending it for review. We realize that's not going to make you happy, but our editors do provide a full explanation of their decision and some pointers as to where your manuscript could be improved if you'd like to resubmit your paper to us at a later date. And with an average decision time of less than 5 days, we won't have wasted your time by sending the manuscript out for a futile round of review. But let's assume we feel your paper might be suitable for JCB. We will select a number of expert reviewers, taking into account any suggestions or exclusions you might have made in your cover letter. Once the reviewers have had their say, a process that takes on average less than a month, the academic editor will decide how to proceed. He or she may decide to accept the paper with only a few minor revisions required, and once you've made those revisions, your paper can be quickly accepted without it being resent to the reviewers. Congratulations! Alternatively, the editor may decide that your manuscript needs more substantial revisions. We will explain exactly what you need to do, not just ask you to do everything the reviewers suggest, and you'll be given a 3-month window to complete the additional work. Because our editors are active scientists, we'll only ask for things that can realistically be done in that time frame, and you won't have to worry about being scooped in the meantime. If you send your revisions back to us within 3 months, we won't reassess the paper's novelty when we send it out for re-review. If your manuscript needs more than 3 months of additional lab work, we'll reject the paper with a clear explanation of where it fell short. That doesn't necessarily mean the door is closed, however. You're welcome to address the paper's shortcomings and send it back to us. We will reassess the paper for novelty, but we'll try to reuse the original reviewers if we can. Either way, we promise that you won't get trapped in an endless cycle of revision and review, as we don't send manuscripts out to reviewers more than twice before arriving at a final decision. If your manuscript is accepted, we'll carefully examine all the figures to ensure they match the high standards that readers have come to expect in JCB papers, and your paper should appear online within 6 weeks. So, if you want your manuscript to be handled by active scientists who will provide you with expert, thoughtful advice throughout the peer review process, why not send it to JCB, a journal run by the scientists for the scientists, with a reputation for both quality and integrity? You can find our detailed instructions for authors at jcb.org. And if you have any questions about the journal and whether your paper might be a good fit for it, email us at jcellbiol@rockefeller.edu. We look forward to hearing from you.